All right, welcome to lesson 2B. We're going to be changing mixed radicals to entire radicals. We've already looked at going from entire to mixed. So now we will just go back the other direction. This is the other skill that you need with radicals. So our steps are you're going to take the constant from the front and apply the radicand as the exponent. Remember, that's the little number. Remember that on roots it's an implied 2. And then you're going to put the answer back inside and multiply it. Okay, so in this first example, so remember that we have, I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger here. We have an implied little 2 here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the number out in front, which is a 2. You're going to imply the radicand so as an exponent, and you're going to move it back inside and multiply. Okay, so this, because basically you're asking yourself, what was inside of there that I square rooted and got a 2 out? Okay, so 2 squared is 4 times 5, which is 20. Okay, and again, you can always double check with your calculator. Take the decimal of the first, the decimal of the second, or take your entire and go backwards to a mixed. Okay, let's look at the second example. 3 times the cube root of 5. So if I want to take, that's going to become my exponent. So I've got 3 to the power of 3 times 5. And now this will all be underneath a cube root sign. So 3 to the power of 3 is 27. And 27 times 5 is 135. Okay, let's just look at one more example, and then you'll be good to go. So I've got 2 times the fifth root of 2. So this is going to be all fifth roots here, right? So it's going to become 2 to the power of 5 times 2. So 2 to the power of 5 is 32 times 2. So I end up with the fifth root of 64. Okay, so you're taking the number out in front, applying the radicand as the exponent, and then multiplying it by the number that's inside. Okay, so you're putting it back inside. So you can go ahead and practice some of those on your own now.